And this is why I always go with my instinct. I always go with my instinct, bro. When I don't feel like doing nothing, I don't do the shit. You know what? Hey, you know what, man? Now I'm ready to talk. Now I got some shit to say.
They wanna see me go back to my old ways. All I need is family, I'll be okay. I've been hustling for a while now. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow.
YouTube, what's good with you, man? Look, man, it's your boy 1K Swizz. Y'all see I got the GoPro shot now. So look, man, I'ma just say this, man. It's a late night. Now y'all know I normally don't do stuff like this, but man, they wanted me out there bad, man. They wanted me to come through, and I told them I'll come through. So you know your boy Swizz can't go on back on a promise, man. So, hey, man, right now it's about 1 in the morning, and I'm on my way to Temple, man. It sounds crazy. It is crazy. It sounds crazy. It's even crazier. I don't do this, man. Late night rides by myself? Oh no. Come on, man. No, I ain't scared. It's just that's a little eerie, you know. But that's what I get for running my big fat mouth. No empathy for the traffic behind them. Alright, man, let's just hope my keys don't fall out my bag, bro. Well, some type of car meet going on, I don't even know, man. Why am I even going to a car meet and I'm a motorcycle rider in the first place? Nobody knows. Nobody cares. Nobody knows. Nobody cares. But nah, man. Let's head to Temple. Man, this is such a smart idea. But yeah, man. This is the stuff I do for YouTube. So, y'all better leave a like down below on this video, man. Cause this for y'all. This ain't for me, this for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I don't really plan on, you know, making y'all just sit with me the whole ride to Tampa, cause that's lame. So, you feel me? I'ma turn the camera on when I get closer to Tampa. How about that? Cause this is like a 30-minute ride, man. And I'll probably lose GoPro battery by the time I get to Tampa, and I still want to get y'all to see what happens when we get to Tampa. I'm gonna turn the GoPros on just for the bridge part, but after the bridge, I'm gonna turn it right back off because I don't even know where I'm going. So let's get it. We at 74, man. We really cruising tonight, man. We ain't really trying to do too much. We ain't trying to be fashy. We ain't trying to be fancy. We cruising, bro. Chilling, because we ain't gotta do too much tonight because we finna see a lot tonight. So we ain't gotta be the main attraction. Yeah, dirt. Yeah, dirt. I just got hit with a pebble. I love this bridge at night, man. Look at how beautiful it looks, man. Look at all the lights. Y'all see that? I hope I got the camera right. But yeah, man. It looks beautiful right now in my city, man. Probably gonna go through this anyway, so you know. I think I see another bike right there in my rearview. Yep, I do. Oh, he's trying to show out. I can't let the Harley show me up now. Come on, y'all. I feel everything, man. I hate the way this feels, bro. Oh my God, this bike sucks. Or this road sucks. I'm feeling every bump. And he took off on me, dog. Let me get in this lane or something. But that lane sucked right there. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. That was the worst feeling ever. I'm chilling, man. I ain't letting nobody bring me out of my comfort zone, you know what I'm saying? I just went like 94 and I felt every fucking thing in the road, so I'm not gonna be fucking stupid. I'm a pussy! Oh well. Man, I feel everything, bro. All the wind. Like, I swear, this bike is weird, bro. I don't know if it's because of my riding position. Maybe I need to get down lower or what. I feel everything, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Something make me feel so stupid doing turtle shell, only going 70 miles per hour. I feel so dumb, like, I don't know, bruh. This bike's so weird though. Like, it's very weird, bruh. It's a transition for real. Like, the wind, you getting hit with all type of wind, bro. Check him out. He got his car lower. He done took all suspension out of that thing, man. He trying to race something. He trying to drift something or something. Look at him. Okay, I hear you, bro. You don't see him, man. I love it. The crazy thing really about it is that they really be thinking they can race me. That'd be like the craziest part to me, bro. I just want to say thumbs up because that thing look good. He wanna race. He wanna run it so bad. Look at oh, he wanna run it so bad. And I'm gonna leave his ass and he know it. He know it. He don't want it. See, like right here, I feel fine. It's like weird as hell how this bike reacts to certain wind. That shit's so weird, bro. I'm going 64 miles per hour. I'm being such a good boy. Nah, really though, it's like, look, this is the lane right here. I gotta stay out of this lane, bro. This lane is horrible. No, what are you doing, dude? Boy. That's why it's good to have GPS. Cause boy, that is scary, bro. I need to learn how to corner better. I like this turn though. I am not cornering this bit at all. I'm still straight up. This is where they build you. They got me. Oh, this is a nice road. Just the middle, man. Oh, that's a nice road. I like that. That turn felt good. Oh yeah, that turn felt real good. I'm feeling these roads. These got some good roads. That's a raw ass helmet. I know I should be paying attention to the road, but that helmet is so raw. This road feels so good. Why would they make new roads? Like, bro, what is wrong with y'all? This is my exit, though. Freaking falcon bird. Dingo bird. South Falkenberg Road. I got a feeling I'm gonna get here and everybody's gonna be gone. I got a feeling I'm gonna get here and everybody gonna be gone. Cause it look too quiet. It's some nice roads over here though. I gotta give it to them. They be knowing spots. He gotta stop, right? Okay, yes sir. Just making sure. I don't want to get hit by an ambulance. I mean, that'd probably be the best person to get hit by, huh? The damn ambulance. Cause then they can hit you, hurt you, and then heal you right there on the spot. Yeah, yeah. So we just got here and this shit over already. Just like I fucking thought. Police here and shit. I'm going home. Disappointed with a long ride for no reason. That was such a waste of time. Oh my gosh, I'm so disappointed, bro. But, you know, and this is why I always go with my instinct. I always go with my instinct, bro. When I don't feel like doing nothing, I don't do the shit. You know why? Hey, you know what, man? Now I'm ready to talk. Now I got some shit to say. You feel me? This is a life lesson for everybody who watch my damn videos. When you ever feel like you don't want to do some shit, don't let no motherfucking body talk you into doing that shit. Because I just came 30 fucking minutes away. I'm sorry, I'm listening to my damn GPS. I just came. Florida 618 toll. Okay. I just came 30 fucking miles away, right? To get here to the place. And the person who invited me, not only is they not here, but now they just not answering. So guess what? Now I gotta take a lonely ass 35-minute ride back home. You know? I feel like my bag open. So not only did we take one lonely ass ride, but guess what? We're taking 2 lonely ass rides. And not only are we taking 2 lonely ass rides, guess what? We didn't even get to see any action. So guess what, guys, girls, kids, grown ass men, whoever the hell is watching right now, yes, I am pissed. I ain't get to see nothing. All I seen was a raggedy ass sheriff's car and some other cars, but they was leaving. I just drove 35 minutes just to see niggas pull off and go. And I ain't going to the next location, even if it is the next location, because I'm not mad. And if you ain't never did one of these before, basically what's gonna happen now is all those cars, they not going home yet. The night's still young. Man, they finna take their ass to another location. But guess what? I don't have time to be going here and there, and here, and there, and here, and there. No! I don't want to. I wanted to sit there and watch them cars do dumb shit right then. But now guess who's the only one looking stupid? This guy right here. Yes, I am. So, like I said, kids, life lesson. If you ever don't want to do some shit, and you got like the biggest gut feeling you like, man, I just shouldn't even do this. Don't let nobody peer pressure you or talk you into doing something you don't want to do. You know? With that being said, man, I'm signing off for the night because I'm pissed off. So there's nothing else that I probably will say that will be entertaining to you guys for the night. So listen, y'all know how I like to end my videos. If you know something, then you know something. Alright, I'll holler. Peace. Why am I going slower than grandma?
Damn,
like,
Kai, you going crazy.
With me?
Standing in the rain, waiting on the sun, wondering if it don't come. My niggas don't run track, pistols in their laps, but that's why they won't run. Fuck a hide out, we send our edits, scared go to church. Fuck a hide out, we drop a dress, I ain't talking skirts. I see the crackhead in the pharmacy came.